Look right here.
Oh no.
Not right now.
Got 3 minutes.
It's 6:51 in 30 seconds.
What time is shooting light? 52.
Wait.
For the birds or wood ducks?
I don't know.
They're wood
They're wood ducks. Take them.
Got them 3?
Yeah. You ready? Mallards just got out of the back cove.
I didn't know where the ducks were, like, because I was sitting down.
They want it. Where are they at? They might keep going. Wait. Go to the field. Yeah, it is still alive. That's what I thought.
No, he ain't.
I thought I told you that its head was up.
I thought I was staring at it for
Jake double tapped both of them. He hit the other one too.
Oh my gosh, I had to shoot one of the ducks. We got 2 hens and a drake. Nice wood duck right there. One I just had to shoot. Nice wood duck. Just had a couple wood ducks pitch in with the geese. Boys knocked down 3 of them, 2 hens and a drake. So Jake's in the blind with us today. Also got my dad and Brady. So waiting on the ducks to fly. It's 10 degrees out and the water's already freezing on them. So
kind of looks like when they try to put water on taxidermy. You know what I mean?
it's a cold one today. Wind chills are in the negatives and it's about 10 degrees. So I've already had a lot of geese pitch into the spread and a few mallards early, but that was before shooting light. So we're waiting on the birds to get up and fly. So it's a good start to the morning. There's some mergansers buzzing around, so they might get cracked if they come in. But stay tuned for some more shooting. There's 2 high. They're not sure what they want to do. And they're getting it. They're getting it. And they're getting it. Can you see him, Brady? I still see him there over the field. They're going upriver. They had somewhere on their mind. Oh. Wait. Let them come in. Kill him? No.
The hen broke left.
Kill him?
Alright, we got one.
Got the drake. Oh my gosh, they dropped from the heavens.
I didn't know where they were.
That was gorgeous.
Did you film that?
Yeah.
Oh,
We need to cut this. I would have had it.
Yeah. Well, I actually tried, but I didn't shoot.
that was so pretty.
The hen peeled left, like before we even called the shot.
Yeah.
That bird got flat.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Every one of them so far.
Two groups. More.
Get ready. Brady, you call it. I can't see him. think that's all. You want to take them? Hold on. You want to take them? Yeah, do it. Take them. Kayak. So a few of those mallards actually swam to within 35 or 40 yards and then started to turn away. So we decided to jump up and shoot them. We knocked down 3. When I was grabbing the kayak, 1 got up and flew off and the other 2 swam to the opposite bank. I actually flushed one out from the bank right here, but he dove on me and for 5 minutes did not come back up. So I'm not sure if he drowned himself or made it back to the bank and tucked up, but I gave it a good effort looking. It's one of those unfortunate things of duck hunting. You never want a bird to get away or to lose birds, but there's not much you can do except give it a good effort of looking. On my way back in, 2 geese actually pitched into the spread and the boys knocked them down. Unfortunately, it was so cold that my GoPro kept shutting off on its own, so the clip of the geese getting shot cuts off right before they pitch into the decoys. But they knocked them both down, so I went to pick up the mallard from earlier and their 2 geese. No way. It's banded. I'm not gonna say a thing to him. All right, someone's Brady, come help me. Hey guys. Guys. Notice anything about this duck?
What?
Mallard band.
Those geese were hooking hard.
Then who killed this bird?
You and I, that's the one that you and I shot at.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wait. Is that the one that was... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's my first band, dude.
Are you sure? Because I think, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding.
No, I mean, if you want it, you can have it.
Nah, man.
That's my first band.
It was the one Jake and I shot. It was laying belly up over here.
That's so cool.
Is it
Yeah.
Pax River?
There's geese. Let me get it. Watch out, Dad. Watch out. Are they too high?
One left. A little high.
They're looking hard.
You call it done.
Wait. My gun jammed. My gun didn't shoot.
Well, somebody hit that.
My gun clicked.
Hey, put a ham woman. Yeah, that's not cool. You can shoot my gun.
Well, it's up to me to shoot a goose now.
Yep.
Big group. There's a snow goose. There's a snow goose with, wait, never mind. No, there is. There's a snow goose with them.
See what they do.
Are they going to the field?
It is a snow goose.
There's a snow goose with them.
Yeah. Come on, shoot him over there.
This one, here we go. Turn and come in, baby. Come on.
Kill one of them, Dylan. There you go.
I'm gonna have to shoot him again. Let me clear the sun.
Kill one of them, Dylan. There you go. Shoot him again.
This one to the right.
I got him.
Shoot him again. There you go. I got it.
You folded them.
Well, I just shot my goose. We're limited on geese and there's a lot more flying.
I'll come in, Brady.
Okay.
There you go.
Here.
Here you go.
Were they cuffing?
Which ones?
The one you shot.
Oh, it was a group of like 6
I saw. I wasn't looking up.
coming right in.
They were coming to the decoys.
Oh, yeah. I mean, they were hovering, so that's why I shot. Whew. Geese. Let's go, boys. Just got our limit of geese. Oh my gosh, we had so many birds working. Whew. That's a good start. We've had a crazy past couple of minutes with geese coming in, so we got our limit of geese, but I was out picking up a mallard that we shot, and Turns out we got a band this morning. So Jake and I folded that bird, and turns out it's a banded mallard. And we got geese.
Oh my goodness. Well, that definitely makes it worth it right there.
Banded mallard. It's the first duck band we've shot off the lake.
That's a big, healthy bird.
Yeah, that's a stud.
That snow comes in, he's in trouble.
So we just looked up the band info for the mallard that we shot, and it was hatched in 2021 or earlier. So we think it might have been banded as an adult, but we were thinking it came from Canada. It actually came from Huron County, Michigan. So this bird was banded what I would think is the Mississippi flyway, and made its way over here. So banded a year ago, but it's a mature bird, so he's probably older than that, but still really cool shooting a bird from Michigan and Maryland. All right, guys, we just wrapped up our hunt. Got the birds laid up behind us. Ended the day with a limited geese, which is 1 per person in the Atlantic flyway, 3 wood ducks, and then a banded drake mallard. So all in all, a pretty good day. Got some good shooters behind me in the blind today. So had my buddy Jake with me, and then Dad and Brady as always. So really good hunt. It is Christmas Eve, so we're looking forward to the holiday. Merry Christmas to everybody at home. Yeah, can't ask for much more. Banded drake and a lot of birds piled up. So Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you all are having a good season. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll be coming out with a lot more content soon. So until the next hunt, we will see you all on the next one.